the change, y'all. And that can go straight to the back. Let's see how it closes. Has it close? Does it stay closed? Yes. And then I have my wonderful shoulder strap. And my phone will go right in the back. Back here, it's down the hall, so that's why I'm not putting it in. And it's not overstuffed. It's just enough. I don't want any more in there. But I'm really loving this. I'm glad I took the time to go ahead and switch the bags over. It also showed me maybe I'm carrying a little too much of stuff. I do wish that I had a hairspray, a little baby hairspray in there, because my hair always seems to need it, y'all. Like, this is the best hairspray. It's Redken Triple Take 32, and the reason it's called Triple Take is in the nozzle, it's got 1, 2, 3 little nozzles, so that I guess that's the triple. And I am going to, but you have to hold it kind of far back, but boy does it hold. You have to hold it back because it sprays so straight. There. There. Yeah, it just fluffs it up. Fluffs it up good. It fluffs it good. The back too, don't forget. Okay. I love that stuff. I just think I don't really need it in there, especially if it's done a good job. So I've got all the makeup touch-up that I need. Y'all, I'm really loving this. I'm really loving it. So I've got my little wallet. Maybe I'll put my pen back there. And instead of this kind of ink, I think what I'm going to do is use just a ballpoint. And that way, it's not quite as fluid. Yeah, we'll put that pen back there. And I'm trying to see, is there anything else I truly need in there? And I don't think there is. You know, I had recently purchased my Chanel double-ended brushes. These are brushes, you guys, which I love. That's the smudger. And then you pull this up to close it so it doesn't mess the brushes up. But when you close it, it just pushes it back down. But it just keeps you from messing it up. On the other end is the definer. I don't know if y'all can see that. Pull that up. And then you put the top on and see how it pushes. There's the rim. It pushes it right back down. But it opens it up in there so you're not fraying the edges. But it's nice to have brushes in your purse just with two things. So this is the blender. So obviously it's wider. Pull that up. And this is the shader, flat shader. So these are just perfect. I love them. But my makeup's on good. I don't need it. I have that in my purse just in case if I don't get my makeup on and I have to do it, you know, in the parking lot at work or somewhere. But I'm good. And also I have this Chanel. Actually, that would probably do better because this one's so wide. My Chanel, this is the Le Volume waterproof, I think. Is it? Le Volume de Chanel. It's not de, it's da. Le Volume de Chanel waterproof. So I am going to keep that because you just never know when you might need a mascara too. That's the other thing that I'm like, yeah, you might need your mascara. So I have in here, this is what it looks like now. I think I'm also going to put my gum back in the back. No, I don't want anything back there. We'll just put it in the front here. So in there I have this little Chanel pochette. This little Louis Vuitton pochette right there with my lipstick, with my liner. Because those are two that I know, actually those can go back here. They shouldn't be in the front. So now all that's makeup. Tissues, face makeup, blush, a little hand cream. I don't know if I showed y'all that. This little hand cream from, who's this from? Replenishing Hand Cream. I think I got this at Bath and Body Works. Is that where, or did I get a little boutique? I think I got this at a little boutique because I can't read that name. It looks like it says Time Origin. And this is an iced berry. But it's just a nice little small hand cream. And it's a very good hand cream to be so tiny. And then my Chanel spray, hand sanitizer, the mascara. We'll put that over there. And we'll put that, all the little makeup stand-ups over there. My peels and my hairbrushes down in the bottom. The gums right there. And then here we have the little clay with my, what am I trying to say? My cards, my car keys, and a pen. And then on the outside, all that will go there is my phone. And I'm done. So again, this is not overstuffed at all. Just so those of you who are like, well, Beth, how stuffed does it feel? It's not overstuffed at all. It does not feel overstuffed at all. And really, that's a good amount of stuff to have with me. So I feel, did you hear that? That clicks so good. Now I will tell you on the bottom, it does not have feet because it doesn't, it's not meant to sit, but because it's got the 3 substantial departments, it sits. It doesn't flop over or fall. This can be adjusted, which I love. So you can make this crossbody or just over the shoulder. You can just let it hang down and hold it like this. Or you can take the strap off and make it into an evening clutch and just hold it like that. You just put your hands through it and hold it like that. What I love about this is it definitely has an elegant touch because it's Louis Vuitton. It's monogram, so